All right, and we're back. So we've compared Xtended here with i3. So I saw there were no remarks, so again, an invitation. If there are questions or whatever, maybe I can incorporate them, or maybe they will just come later. So I'll just wait for the time to explain it. We've done a change. We've done this guy, right? Arco i3. The next up, I think, should be openbox. Like we told in the first video, it's not, I know, a tiling window manager, but the idea is to make people become more efficient in tiling window managers, because it is useful, it is fun to work in it, but it's hard. So we have a fallback, and openbox is gonna be our fallback. Quick check, that's the only thing that is different. Okay, we're gonna check anyway. Maybe we see some things here, but just scroll slowly through. Maybe our eye catches something that we say, no, I don't want that. Because the idea is that the right side is the extended one and the left is the openbox one. And here we have some differences. We want awesome BSP, common is out. So you see openbox normally uses common, but I want to test it out. If it's gonna work or not without the common package, then I know it's something I can do in ArcoLinux ISO. And it's a win-win. Same goes for docs, not sure. I think we can leave it out without too much of issues. It all depends. i3WM, OP menu generator. I'm gonna make a new one. Qtile is there, Rofi is out, Tin2 is out. Okay, looks all good. What's the rest? Okay, video finished. This is it, nothing really changed. How do we know for sure? Well, when you do a git version 3 and say, sometimes I just give it the name test, come on, not capital, test update, right? And if nothing to commit, you don't see it. And now, and when something was changed, even the space, it will be uploaded. Okay, so this ends our video.